Hi viewers, I hope all is well with you. Regarding latte art competition, debutantes and more experienced latte artists have submitted videos of their latte creations. These videos are attached to this message. You are invited to judge these videos by giving a rating for each of between 1 and 10, where 10 is excellent. The important elements to consider in your judgments are 1. Contrast between the lines of milk and coffee. 2. Foam quality of the milk. 3. Pattern, design, quality and uniqueness. Those receiving the best results will be invited to submit further videos, which will again be judged by you to identify an overall winner. Thank you in advance for your participation, and I look forward to receiving your judgments and any comments you may have.
Be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on this display. Is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy. God is working, never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grief, put your foot on the gas, no, never stop being there. I wanna miss, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep my face, no way you want it. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus.